Hello, it's 5 Minute Friday. This is Kristen Bryant with Stamping with Kristen, and I am in Hastings, Minnesota. We've got kind of a dreary day here. It's been a little drizzly for several days now, and I'm going to be using Sunrise Sailing for my 5-minute card. I like to come on here on Fridays and show how you can make a card in 5 minutes or less. The cards don't have to all be super detailed, and I want to show that you can make it fun and simple and have them still look great. So I'm going to be using Sunrise Sailing. And I'm also going to be using Wildly Flowering, which you probably wouldn't think to use with this, but I'm going to be using this side. It gives just a little, it looks like there's like a little linen texture to that. So I'll just grab this piece. And I'm going to be using Misty Moonlight and Real Red. And then I'm going to be using these dies as well. So I'm going to get my watch here ready to see that I can do it in 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm gonna first trim this. I think this one might be 4 inches ready. Yes, it is. So I just need to cut this one at 5 1/4. I want it to be 4 inches by 5 1/4. And then I want a piece of white to be, and this is just our basic white. I want this to be, looks like a little, I'm gonna do 5 inches by 3 3/4. All right, a little bit less there. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna take my 2 3/8 inch punch and I'm gonna do it upside down so I can see where I am. And I want it to be centered and all the way in. So I'm creating a little window. I have a basic white thick piece of cardstock to use as my card base. And then I'm just going to adhere this piece on. Often, I've always used this side of the piece, but since I'm doing a more masculine card, I'm gonna do this here. So we'll set that on. I'm gonna stamp on here, and this has a few great greetings. I think I'm gonna do congratulations. And so I will take that off of here. And I'm gonna set that on like that. I'll get my Misty Moonlight. You're gonna wanna stamp this first. It's always good to stamp before you adhere on, because if you don't like how it looks, you can flip it over and do the other side. All right, so that looks good. So I'm now going to take dimensionals. That's funny. I was using a scrap piece, I guess. That was my thing. My son got married just over a week ago, and I made little bags for the out-of-town people. And I guess this was some extra. That's funny. This person will probably never know that that is on the other side. All right, so I'm gonna put that on just like that. Now I'm gonna use 2 dies from this. This is one of the sailboats. You actually have dies that come with this for 3 different sizes of sailboats. Whoops. So I'm gonna have the base of the boat be red. And then the sail, Misty Moonlight. And I'm going to put this through. All right. Now we will pop this out. All right, and then the blue one here. Sail. Sails can be all different colors. Sometimes they are real bright and sometimes you just see white ones. So I'm gonna just put a little adhesive on here, and I'm not going too high because I'm gonna have this over the circle. So I'm putting the sail on it just like that. And then now I'm just gonna put a dimensional on the back, just to kind of have this pop up too. Give some depth to the card. So here is the card, congratulations. And you could use this with different shapes there. And let me look here, oh, 3 minutes and 35 seconds. So really a quick and simple card. And I think it still looks great. And I think someone will be happy to receive this. I hope you get time to create this weekend and be the bright spot in someone's day. Send them a card. Thanks for watching.